Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Again, we are back with our T800 Ultra. Let's see, continue another video review for this affordable Watch Ultra clone smartwatch in the market. Okay, I guess this is our third or fourth video review, I think. Okay, so we are done with a specs and design. We are also done with the menus and features, and as well as the support app for the Watch Pro app installation. Okay, so this time we are going to explore, okay, the watch face section. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, we are now ready. We are already paired with our support app. Okay, so let's explore the world of watch faces with a T800 Ultra smartwatch. So let's count how many watch faces do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have at least 6 watch faces. You can also use the crown button here to scroll on the list of watch faces. Okay, so if you want additional watch faces for your T800 Ultra smartwatch, we have it here in the Watch Pro app. Okay, just go to the dial settings. Okay, again, let's check if we are paired. Okay, we are paired. The connection is stable so far. Let's go to the dial settings. Tap on dial settings and it will load a variety of watch faces. So all of the watch faces here, okay, as we tackled before with other smartwatch, okay, these are all digital watch faces, and of course a custom watch face also. Okay, so a bit disappointing, but what else can we do? Okay, the good thing is it is also preloaded with other watch faces here, much better looking watch faces. When it comes to the collection of watch faces, I guess the Watch Pro is getting left behind compared to other application. Okay, so let's see, let's tap on this. Okay, let's install a watch face. Tap on it. Okay, select a position here. Okay, so let's select that one. As you can see here, you can also change the dial. It's already a custom watch face. And change the dial and you can select your own photos here. We'll do it later on. Okay, so let's try and install a watch face here. Tap on synchronize dial. Okay, it is now loading and automatically being pushed to our smartwatch. Okay, let's wait. It's now upgrading our smartwatch here. Let's just wait. Okay, it's now being pushed towards smartwatch. We are on 70% and closing here. Okay, so the smartwatch is started and we have here the watch face. Okay, so let's see if we have an additional watch face here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's already 7. Okay, previously it was just 6. Let's add another one. Okay, Okay, if you're a fan of basketball, let's tap on this one. Let's change. I don't like basketball anyways. Let's go for this one. Okay, tap on that one. And let's pick this. Okay. Again, you cannot change the font here as well as the color. It's the default color and the font. Okay, I hope they will add additional functionalities in the support app. Okay, then tap on synchronize. After this, we are going to demo on how to add a custom watch face. Okay, so let's wait. 4% 5. So we're getting closer here. This is much faster compared to the previous watch face. 38. 90%, and we are done. Okay, let's see. Okay, so that's it. Again, let's count the watch face here. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so as you can see, it's still 7. Okay, the additional watch face just replaced our first downloaded watch face. Okay, so let's go to another watch face. Let's tap on this one. So this is a demo for the custom watch face. Let's pick this one, a rotten mango. Okay, tap check, and we have here again, select, tap check here. Okay, so we have here the watch face. Let's change the location of the time. Okay, then synchronize dial, the same steps. We'll see if we will have a successful downloading of the watch face. Okay, so this will be a bit slow. I guess the more detailed photo you have, the longer it is to download. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, we are almost done. As you can see here, we are 100% now. So it restarted again our phone and our smartwatch, and we have it here, the custom watch face for our T800 Ultra smartwatch. So far, as you can see here, the connection is stable. Okay, we did not have any disconnection so far. Okay, with a support app, with a watch face, it's all basics here. Okay, it's all digital watch faces with the same design, just different backgrounds. Okay, there's also support for a custom watch face. Okay, so that's it. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Again, this is the T800 Ultra Smartwatch. Downloading and installing watch faces. Goodbye.